So I thought I'd do some general coverage receiver listening today. You know, looking around the shortwave band, see what I can find. So, wow. That's got a lot of noise on it. Impulse noise, not the kind that's not strong enough to show up on the waterfall here, but so I tried the noise blanker feature on this. It's the first time I've used it because generally I don't like using noise blankers. They always end up, you come across a stronger signal and they distort the crap out of it. So I generally leave noise blankers off unless there's a specific use for it, and here it is. So listen to this. Wow, that's quite dramatic. Not only is the impulse sound completely gone, but did you hear the background noise slowly lift up after the fact? That means the AGC was picking up on that noise and reducing the receiver sensitivity. So let's do that again. Yeah, that noise is good S6 on the meter, right? Now, let's try the noise reduction, see how that affects this sound. Not so good. Now mine's set at level 5. I wouldn't suggest that. You notice how it sounded like it kind of was a high, I should say a low pass filter. Like all the highs got kind of cut off. That's not really desirable either. What do I have? So what do I have my noise blanker set to? Level 50%, depth 5 with 80. I don't think those are the defaults. I have played with them a little bit and found this to be to my liking in the past, so anyway, that is a short video on the noise blanker function on the Icom IC 7300. If you like this video, check out my playlist for the 7300. Anyway, 73 guys, like and subscribe.